Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're looking at another beautiful kitchen remodel that is just about done. We've got floor to finish off. We've got some touch-up to do, get some designer color plates for the electrical outlets and switches, but we just have our placeholder with a standard white, but we're getting ones that kind of tie in with the quartz countertop. So what you're looking at here is what used to be a wall here. Typical standard small kitchen. It's now all opened up to the dining room and the living room behind us. We had to remove a load-bearing beam here, put in a structural beam, reinforce it down the walls, down to the footing. We put in this nice, beautiful, what I call breakfast bar here. These are all nice quartz countertops in here. We have under cabinet lighting, which you can see here. You see my hand here, and when all of the other lights are off, I'll do this. It has a really, really nice effect, and it's nice to have lots of lighting. We put everything on dimmers so it can all be adjusted. We have a big single sink. We have beautiful all wood cabinets with self-closing hardware in here, European hinges. We have an air gap switch over here that's built in, so you push that and the disposal goes on and off. And then we have also brought the same countertop material up onto the windowsill, which is really nice in the kitchen. We have a freestanding hood, and we brought the whole countertop material up behind it, which kind of gives the kitchen a lot bigger feel. So a lot of kitchens we've done, we break it up and you have mosaic tile and things in the back, which you can do. A lot of times in a smaller kitchen, keeping the same material coming up onto the splash, coming up behind the hood makes the kitchen feel a lot bigger. And here's something I want to kind of go through with you, because it's always an interesting thing. When you want to tie two rooms together and you have the kitchen, do you take this and have a continuous flat countertop, or do you do what I call a breakfast bar detail? And I'm a big fan of breakfast bars because you can have people sitting here, stools, they can be part of the action. You can be part of the action if you're in the kitchen working. But if you're over here prepping, you can have all your food and stuff, you can be prepping, and your mess is here, and it doesn't spill into the face of your guests that are over here. If you have one big flat countertop, and then you're standing out here, and you're using that as a prep surface, and now you see all the mess, right? So now you can see that the counter's basically all but blocked, and it's nice when you're cooking and prepping and things like that, and you have people here, put your food up here, appetizers, your drinks, wine. People can hang out here and talk to you and kind of belly up to the bar and talk to you. If you have a counter that's low, it doesn't lend itself to just coming up and standing and hanging out. That's my 2 cents. So you have to evaluate your needs here. And what else can I point out here? I said these are maple floors. They're going to get refinished. And we did all the plans, permits, engineering, help with material selection. These are all new appliances, obviously. We have a brand new fire door. Let's see if I can switch off. Yeah, so now we're down to the undercab lights, which are really pretty nice at night, and these have a dimmer, and they kind of just give a nice little glow to the kitchen. So when you're hanging out at your house here in the evening and you don't need the lights on, you can leave the undercab lights on, dim them down, and it's kind of a nice soft glow, and you get to look at your pretty kitchen. So anyway, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, your San Francisco Bay Area general contractor. We do tons of bathrooms and kitchens, full whole house remodels, additions. You can find us on the internet, Golden Gate Enterprises, and the website is bayareacontractor.com, and give us a shout. We're a good contractor to work with. If you're looking for a quality contractor that's easy to work with and you won't have problems, give us a call. Okay, thanks. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.